Hello everybody! In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to play the Treble Clef review game. This digital board game is available both in Google Slides or in PowerPoint. I'm going to do my demonstration on Google Slides, but the same premises apply if you're using the game in PowerPoint. So we start off on slide number 1, which is our game board, as you can see. You have 5 little tokens to move, and if you need more of these, you can always click on them, copy, and paste them. Let's pretend that we have 3 players in our game today. You can see that we're in edit mode, which is important. In order to drag these tokens, we need to be in edit mode. So I'll drag 3 tokens to the start. Each person or team will roll the dice when it's their turn. You can either use the dice here, you can see I rolled a 1, or you can use physical dice that you have in your classroom. Let's say that orange is our first player. They rolled a number 1. So I can drag orange to the number 1. This is where it's important to go into present mode. If I click on number 1 right now, I could click the link to slide 2. But for a better experience, I recommend that you hit present in the top right corner and now click on the number 1. This will take you to question number 1. Students must either identify the note or the word on the card. If you choose, you can have a time limit on this, or you can give them unlimited time to solve the problem. In order to check their answers, click Flip Card. This will tell you the answer. If the student is incorrect, they go back to where they were before this roll. If the student is correct, they get to stay on this spot. So if the student got this incorrect, they would be back to the start. But if the student got this correct, they could stay on spot number 1. In order to go back to the question, you can click the X in the top right corner of each card, and it will show you the question again. In order to return back to the playing board, you can always click the X in the top right corner of your screen. This will bring you back to the playing board. Remember, when the next person takes their turn, you'll want to exit present mode so that you can drag their token or their game piece along the board. If you have any questions about how to play, please let me know. I hope your students have fun racing to the finish with their Treble Clef review game.